Need help with your account or have questions? Here is how you can easily contact TikTok support straight from your iPhone. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down until you see the Support and About section and tap on Help Center. In the Help Center, scroll down and you will be able to find all these topics which TikTok support has covered, but to chat with contact support and get your queries solved, tap the Chat with Us button. Finally, type your message or question and send it to Start Chatting with TikTok support. And that is it. This is how you will be able to contact chat support on TikTok.